Hello guys, this is Samuel again, and today I'm just gonna take you through some of the new features of Windows 7. I know it's all over the place, and people are probably wondering why upgrade and what's new. So I'm just gonna give you a quick recap of the new features and some of the things that Windows 7 does that other operating systems that doesn't do. First of all, I'm just gonna talk about the way they've made it easy to preview stuff that you have open. I hate it whenever I have like 20 websites open and my taskbar is all filled up. Now they've made it so easy for you to preview stuff that you have open. All you got to do is just hover over it down here and it's going to give you a preview. For example, I have about 4 websites open and running right now, but you can actually tell. But to preview them, you can go to my Firefox icon over here in my taskbar, and as you can see, it displays all the websites that I have open, and all I gotta do is just hover over them and it comes up. And if I wanted to open one, I just click on it and there it is. um, Another cool thing that they've added, and this applies to everything, all the other programs as well, like this is my Explorer. I have my control panel open. I can do the same thing with any program that's running, and I like the way it clusters everything in your taskbar so you don't have like multiple things open in your taskbar. Another cool feature is the fact that you can just easily get to your desktop. I mean, in Windows XP you could do the same, but for example, if I had all these websites open, okay, I had all these pages open. If I wanted to see my desktop real fast, all I can do is just move my mouse down here to the bottom right and just hover over it, and I can see my desktop. If I take my mouse off, everything comes back off. If you do click on it, then I do show my desktop. So I think that is pretty cool. And another really nice feature that I like is, let's say I had these 2 websites and I wanted to compare them for some reason. All I got to do is just click on it, move it all the way to the right, and it will actually snap in place. And then do the same to the other one that you want to compare, and move it all the way to the right, to the left, and it will snap in place. And now you have your windows side by side. Previous versions of Windows are the same thing, but you had to like right click and then tell it to cascade it or tile it side by side. But this drag and drop really uh, helps out. It's pretty easy to do. And if you wanted this to be the full page again, you just move it up to the top, and there you go. Um, Now, if I had all these pages open, I could also just, let me minimize everything here, and I wanted everything to go away. I could just grab one in the middle here and shake it, and everything goes but that window. And I think that's another cool feature that it has. Another nice thing that it has is the ability to run Windows XP. It has the XP mode, but I will demonstrate that in another video. But for now, I'm going to show you other things that I could do because of time constraints. Um, the next thing that I want to show you is how you can adjust to multiple displays. For example, if you do presentations a lot and you carry a laptop and you hook it up to projectors and stuff, now you can just uh, plug in your VGA cable or whatever you use for the video, and all you gotta do is hit Windows and P, and you see all your options, and you can just select what you want to do. If you want to extend it, if you want to project it to a projector, or you want to duplicate what's on your laptop screen to what's actually on a projector screen. um, I think that's pretty handy to have, quick access to managing your multiple displays. Another nice thing is the devices and printers. Now over here, whenever you go to device and printers, you can just go to start and device and printers, and it will tell you everything that you have connected to your computer. And I have 2 mouses connected to my computer because I have a docking station, and I'm using an external mouse. So it will tell you everything that you have here and give you a brief summary of everything you have plugged in, which I think is pretty neat instead of drilling through device manager and everything. Um, Another nice feature that it has is the backgrounds. I really like the backgrounds and themes. I'll show you. For example, if I right click on my desktop and do personalize, I have all these cool themes to choose from, and you can choose a theme the desktop background to whatever you want it to be. And these themes are really catchy. For example, if I wanted to uh, use my pictures as the pictures that I have on my computer as my background, and the cool thing is you can even make it a slideshow. So if I click on this over here, let's